Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So of course tonight's paint night because it's Wednesday. So I decided to create this smoky, well it's not really smoky, but it's blown out pink, all pink Valentine's Day look for you guys since Valentine's Day is coming up. I just did whatever I felt like doing, honestly. I wasn't really following any type of guide or picture this time. But I like the way the look came out. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then just stay tuned. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because I love getting comments from you guys. So with that being said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get straight into the video. Okay, so I already filled in my brows and stuff. So I'm going to go under my eyebrow with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C13 just to clean it up. And maybe, no, I'm not gonna drag it down. I'm gonna go on my lid with the C1 because it's like a white concealer and it'll help make the concealers stand out more. So I'm just gonna take a flat eyeshadow brush. It doesn't have a number. I think I got this from like Walmart or something, I don't know. But just a flat brush to go under my eyebrow. And I'm just taking it right onto the flat brush. And I will begin applying it under my brow. You don't want to put too much, so I'm going to wipe the excess on the back of my hand. And then I'll just start to blend that out. Okay, so now I'm going to take my ring finger and just blend that out so it's not a harsh line. So now I'm gonna go in with the same Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, but in the shade C1, and I'm just gonna put that directly on my lid and then blend it out with my ring finger as well. And I'm just gonna go in with the white from the Carity Matte palette, and it's this white shade here, the only white shade that's in the palette. I'm just gonna do some patting motions to set that concealer and better blend it out. So now I'm gonna go in with my Nika K I Like Crayon in the, I don't know, in the shade pink. It's just pink. And I'm gonna apply that to my lid space. Okay. Pat that in. And this is just gonna be an extra base for the shadow. And then I'm gonna go back into my Carity Matte palette. And I'm gonna use a Ruby Kisses small shadow brush. And I'm gonna go into the pink shade in that palette, which is right here. And apply that where I put the eye pencil, the pink eye pencil, in patting motions. Do the same thing to this side. And then using that same brush, we're gonna blow it out at the top part a little bit so that it'll get more into my crease. Be blown out in my crease rather. So now I'm gonna go in with a Wet n Wild fluffy brush and get a brown from the get the brown from the Carity Matte palette, which I clearly use a lot. So we're going in with that one. And go above the pink shade to blow it out a bit more. So going back in with that Ruby Kisses small shadow brush, go back into the pink shade, add a bit more. So now I'm gonna go into my 252 palette by Coastal Scents, and I'm gonna use the palette that has all of the pink colors. And I'm going to go into some more matte shades. So I'm gonna go into 1, 2, 3 and blend those into the pink that we already put down using the same small shadow brush. And I'm gonna pick up all 3 shades at once and then apply it to my lid space. So now we want to blow out this edge, which it doesn't matter if it goes too far down because we can just clean it up with the concealer and stuff. So just blow it out using that same small shadow brush with the leftover product. Blow it out and bring it up into your crease. And so because we put the brown shade on top of our pink shadow when we first started applying our shadows, it's giving you like a illusion of purple, and you didn't have to put any purple down. So that's a trick as well. Just like painting, you can make your own colors with your eyeshadows. All about blending, however. So just make sure you blend, blend, blend until you get the shade that you're looking for. And that's gonna be it for the eyes right now. So we're gonna move to the face. Okay, so I applied my primer, and it's just the Maybelline Master Prime. I'm gonna go in with my same foundation, the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 360. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. stippling brush and apply that to my face. And now I'm gonna go in with my Eco Tools beauty blender and just further smooth that out. So now I'm gonna combine these 2 concealers, Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel, and my Conceal and Define in the shade C13. So I don't know how to contour, I don't, but I'm gonna try. And I'm gonna use this Maybelline Super Stay foundation stick, multi-use foundation stick, in the shade 370 Deep Bronze to contour my face. And let's see how this goes, because that's something that I need to work on, but this is why we're doing these paint nights, so that I can get better. So I don't really have like a deep contour because my face is super round. So, but like not round, I have like an oval shaped head, but my cheeks are like super round. So I don't really have like a contour, natural contour line that I can follow. I don't see it. I don't see it. Maybe somebody else does, whatever. So I'm gonna do the little trick, but that also doesn't seem like it's gonna work for me, but whatever. I like the way my nose contour looks, I guess. I'm gonna go over that cream contour with my Black Radiance contour, True Complexion contour palette, using the contour shade for the medium to dark, and set that. And then I'll go in and set my highlight. I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Terracotta and also in Banana. I'm using a little makeup triangle, whatever. Okay, so now I'm gonna set my face with the CoverGirl Clean Press Powder in the shade 565, which is tawny. And I'm gonna use another dense brush and just press to help blend everything out. Now I'm going to use my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to set my face. And then we'll move back to the eyes. Alright, so this is what my face is looking like so far. I'm not done with my face yet, but I'm just gonna go back to my eyes for now, and start with my under eye because I want this to be a super pink look. All right, so I'm gonna go back into my Coastal Scents 252 palette using that same small shadow brush, which just makes this a whole lot easier, being that we didn't use so many different brushes and so many different shades and blah blah blah. So I'm gonna go under my eye with those 3 pink shades that I use from the 252 palette and smoke out my bottom lid with the pink colors. Now go into the Carity matte palette and use that pink shade that we used in the beginning. Pack that on as well. And now we're gonna go into our Makeup Revolution Pro HD Amplified palette, which is just a highlight palette. And we're gonna highlight the inner corner and our brow bone. So now I'm gonna do my wing and apply my lashes off camera. I'm gonna apply my Violet Voss lashes and just slaying. And this is what they look like. Okay, so now let's finish up the face. So I need a highlight, add bronzer, and my blush. So I'm gonna add my blush first. No, I think I might add my bronzer first. My bronzer is just the e.l.f. bronzer in Los Cabos. Probably got this from Target. Now I'm gonna use my e.l.f. I don't know, it's the e.l.f. brush, but it's a huge fluffy brush. And I'm gonna apply my Black Radiance bronzer in Warm Berry. And this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna smile and apply that to my cheeks. I think I'm gonna go in with Lush to highlight. I'm gonna use my Mary Kay lip gloss in Cafe au Lait. It smells like cupcakes or something, cookies.